Hi, welcome to module number 1. In this module, we're going to look at areas involved with the reading and apply these to different areas of corporate strategy. Now what we're trying to do here is we're going to look at the strategic statement. In other words, a statement about what strategy is. We're going to identify key issues for an organization, distinguish between corporate business and operational strategies. That's key for your exams. Understand how different people contribute and also appreciate different academic and theoretical lenses. And there's different view on strategy. Alfred Chandler, who's very famous in business circles, talked about two key things: long-run goals and objectives that the business needs to fulfill through resources needed. We're going to remember this: resources. Second, Michael Porter talks about the competitive strategy as being a deliberate action that makes us different. Mintzberg is a little bit different. He talks about a conscious stream of decisions that are going to help us lead us in a different direction. And the book, Exploring Strategy, talks about the long-term direction of an organization. Remember these four because we're going to apply them later. Now, when we're in an organization, Mintzberg says there's 5 critical P's. One is to plan. We have to plan and we have to consciously set a guide for our action. Pattern, which means we're going to have a stream of actions or consistent behavior. A ploy, which means the actual specific moves we outwit a counterpart with. The position, or the niche, where we're going to fit in the environment. And our perspective, which is the firm's way of looking at the world. Now, there's 3 useful approaches that we're going to look at in management. So why is corporate structure important? Corporate structure involves the organization. It involves the survival of the organization. Corporate strategy covers a range of different activities, and it talks about the strategic direction, which is crucial for adding value. These lead to our 3 horizons. Horizon 1, how do we extend and defend our business? Number 2, how do we build additional businesses or emerging businesses? And number 3, how do we create viable options that are going to help us in the future? Now, just like in other areas of management, there's 3 primary levels of strategy, like there's 3 primary levels of management. Corporate, which is the overall purpose. Business, which is the way the businesses compete, or the way the tactics, and the operational level, which is the day-to-day managing of resources, people, and processes. So strategic management talks about strategic thinking, and there's 3 big questions. These are good for life as well as for management. Number 1, where are we now? Number 2, where do we want to go? And number 3, how do we want to get there? We will talk about these in just a minute, but for now, look at these in relationship to other things we've been working on. Thanks so much.